With mortgage rates at 6.47%, you'll need to budget carefully to buy a $430,000 home. And, shockingly, a 1% increase in mortgage rates can cost you an additional $12,000 over the life of a 30-year loan. This video is designed to help first-time home buyers understand the impact of current mortgage rates on their home buying journey. You will learn how to calculate your monthly mortgage payments, navigate the housing market, and use a mortgage calculator to compare loan rates. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to budget for a home purchase in today's market. What are mortgage rates? Mortgage rates, which are currently at 6.47%, refer to the interest rate you pay on your home loan. This rate is a percentage of the loan amount and is typically expressed as an annual rate. For example, if you borrow $430,000 at a 6.47% mortgage rate, you can expect to pay approximately $2,700 per month in mortgage payments over 30 years. How do mortgage rates impact my monthly payments? Using a mortgage calculator, you can determine how changes in mortgage rates impact your monthly payments. For instance, if mortgage rates were to increase to 7.47%, your monthly payment on a $430,000 loan would rise to approximately $3,000. This highlights the importance of considering mortgage rates when budgeting for a home purchase. What is a mortgage calculator? A mortgage calculator is a tool that helps you calculate your monthly mortgage payments based on the loan amount, interest rate, and loan term. It's an essential tool for first-time buyers, as it allows you to compare different loan rates and terms to find the best option for your budget. For example, using a mortgage calculator, you can compare the monthly payments on a $430,000 loan at 6.47% versus 7.47%. How do I navigate the housing market? The current housing market is highly competitive, with many buyers vying for a limited number of homes. To navigate this market, it's essential to understand the current mortgage rates and how they impact your purchasing power. For instance, with mortgage rates at 6.47%, you may need to adjust your budget to account for higher monthly payments. Additionally, you should research the local real estate market, work with a reputable real estate agent, and be prepared to act quickly when you find a home that meets your needs. What are the current interest rates? As of 2026, the current interest rates are around 6.47% for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. However, these rates are subject to change and may fluctuate over time. It's essential to stay informed about current interest rates and how they may impact your home buying journey. You can use online resources, such as mortgage rate trackers, to stay up to date on the latest interest rates and adjust your budget accordingly. Key takeaways. In conclusion, understanding mortgage rates and their impact on your home buying journey is crucial for first-time buyers. By using a mortgage calculator, navigating the housing market, and staying informed about current interest rates, you can make an informed decision when purchasing a home. Remember, a 1% increase in mortgage rates can cost you $12,000 more over 30 years, so it's essential to budget carefully and consider all your options. To get started with your home buying journey, click the link in our description to access our free mortgage calculator and begin exploring your options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more first-time home buyer tips and advice.